Many new customers entering the thermal paper roll business often ask me, is your machine slitting or rewinding? Are they the same? Actually, they are completely different processes. Slitting means cutting one jumbo roll into smaller widths, like 80mm POS rolls or 57mm credit card rolls. This process depends on the knife system, width accuracy, dust control, and stable unwinding tension. If slitting is not precise, it can cause burr edges, paper jams, and printer damage. Rewinding, on the other hand, means rolling those slit paper strips into finished small rolls. Here, the focus is on winding quality, using differential shafts to balance tension, controlling roll tightness, roll length, and even adding paper end warning lines. If rewinding tension is wrong, rolls may become too loose or too tight, affecting printing performance. So in simple terms, slitting decides the width, rewinding decides the roll quality. Both processes are integrated into one slitting rewinding machine, but technically, they solve completely different production problems. If you want sellable, high-quality thermal rolls, you must get both right.